Hi there. So in this video, we are going to talk about market research and how it will help us in effectively marketing ourselves. So these are the things that we should do. We need to understand our market preferences. We need to understand their struggles. We need to identify opportunities and improve our marketing strategies by knowing all these three. And what is the importance of doing this? If you understand yung market preferences, ano ba yung mga gusto nilang gawin? Ano ba yung mga gusto nilang ma-achieve? Why are they running their businesses? Ano ba yung lifestyle na gusto nila? Kasi sa business guys, it's not all about business related lang yung habol nila. They are continuously seeking help or improvement para ma-automate nila lahat ng bagay para ma-free yung time nila. Kasi if you're a business owner, ayaw mong maging workaholic to the point na wala ka ng time for your family or other aspects of your life, 'di ba? So they continuously seek at help para ma-free up yung time nila. So we need to know kung ano yung mga gusto nilang gawin, market preferences. And ano ba yung pinaka-hate nilang gawin? Kasi in that way, kapag alam natin yung mga gusto nilang gawin at ayaw nilang gawin, pwede natin later on ma-check kung yung service ba natin can help them avoid yung mga ayaw nilang gawin or can help them achieve yung mga gusto nilang mangyari, 'di ba? By knowing your market struggles. And nagfo-fall din diyan yung mga struggles nila. You need to know how their day-to-day basis look like. Ano ba yung mga bagay na nakaka-consume ng oras nila to the point na umuuwi na sila ng late tapos wala na silang time for their kids, ganyan. So we can help them by offering our services. For example, if you're a virtual assistant, ano ba yung mga kaya mong gawin for your client to help them with their current struggles? So we need to know what they are. Once again, hindi mo pwedeng offeran ang tao ng service mo kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung struggle niya. Kasi hindi mo alam kung yung service na i-offer mo ay fit sa mga needs nila. That's why we need to know all of these things and identify opportunities. Ano pa ba yung mga kailangan nilang i-improve sa businesses nila? And kung makita naman natin na yung service na ino-offer natin ay mag-fit dun sa mga opportunities na to, then we can take advantage of the situation para i-offer yung service natin. And in that way, again, may improve natin yung mga marketing strategies natin. Alam natin kung paano natin i-position yung offer natin. Okay, so because once again, we need to sell them the lifestyle that they need. Hindi puro business lang. We need to target them emotionally. And if nagawa natin yon, it will be easier for us to catch their attention. So imagine nag-research ka ngayon. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So why do you need to know your market preferences? We need to identify or find out what they like and what they don't like. Because if you're going to mention the things that they like and what they don't like, it'll spark curiosity. They will find it resonating, which will push them to keep reading or watching your videos. This will also encourage them to comment or engage on your post if they find it valuable. And this approach is not only limited to online store about their business, but we also need to consider their personal lives. And once again, let's use those to grab their attention. For you to understand better, I will give you an example on the things that you can do to do your market research and how you can use them to properly position your offer or effectively market yourself. How does an online store owner day look like? And then I want to go to core.com, or if you have any other site that you're aware of, you can just add it there. There, this is a very good example. So this is an entrepreneur. I wake up early in the morning, and by early, I mean around 9 a.m. And we need to find out why they are doing that. Get it back messages. Oh, okay. Okay. I like this one. So just copy this one. Let's put it in our market research table. So is this a positive feedback? It's more like a struggle for me. Walk around 25 steps to my home office. Take about half an hour. Okay, this is a struggle as well. Is this a struggle or not? So let's just wait there. And we can organize it later. All right, there's a lot of things that we can get here. And then by the way, platform channel, you can just, copy paste the link. That would do it. Okay, let's stop right there. So with this one, by just reading this alone, you will be able to come up with a conclusion of how an entrepreneur's day look like. Their day-to-day life is really busy, so that's actually you can come up with a conclusion that they don't even have time for their family. They don't even have time for their kids. Okay? And you can use the things, the words that they mentioned, you can add it on your post. For example, I wake up early in the morning. And so let's add one tab here. What post can I create for this? So just, do you need to wake up early? Do you need to wake up early in the morning and return home late every day? Business running? That's a question. And if your target audience sees this, you will be able to catch their attention and then give them some tips. And then it's time for you to offer your service as the solution. You can mention something like, do you need to wake up early in the morning and return home late every day to keep your business running? Why not automate everything on your business and then save 5 hours of your time? Bye. Okay. And then insert your offer, blah, 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 something like that. Do you get it? Do you get the idea on why do we need to do this? You need to know their struggles. You need to know what they love, what they don't like, and then try to think of something on how you can incorporate your offer on your post so that you will be able to catch their attention. Now let's try to use ChatGPT to help us create content so we don't need to start from scratch. Okay, just paste it here and then create a short post for my social media about this. I want them to realize the importance of having a website to free their time. Maybe you can come up with a better prompt. This one is a great one. Make the English more basic because I personally don't sound like this, so I need to like add personal touch to it. And I don't want the English to be like super deep and it'll sound like jargon to my target audience. Are you tired of waking up early and coming home late every day just to keep your business running? It's time to break free and reclaim your time. Imagine a world where your business thrives without you sacrificing precious moments. All right, so now you can just copy paste this one and then edit everything and give a personal touch based on your tone, based on how you sound like when you post, based on emotions, something like that. So at least ChatGPT was able to give you content and you don't have to like think from scratch. So you can just copy this one and there. Let's make it full width. Okay, this one's good. And you can keep doing that until you're able to, produce multiple posts that will help you market yourself. And from this, you can also create short script videos, or you can use graphics to grab their attention more. So, yeah, I hope I am able to explain the importance of doing your market research in order for you to create tailored posts that will spark interest or curiosity to your target market. Improve marketing strategies. Overall, by conducting a market research, you will be able to establish a good foundation in marketing yourself, and this will help you improve your strategies over time. Make sure to visit your page dashboard to see which posts performed well, and I will give you an example on how a page dashboard look like. This is my personal account and it looks different if you're using a page, but let me view my tools. So this is what you call the professional dashboard. This is for Facebook. You can find your professional dashboard on LinkedIn as well. So for example, in the last few days, 28 days, I was able to gain 14,346 reach. And you can see the letter I here. You can see what it looks like and how many people engage. And I gained new followers, 91 followers. And you can go to see more insights. Oh, let me see content. So these are the content that I posted in the past 90 days. So you can change that as well. And you can see which one performed well or not. And you need to take note of the time. Maybe what's affecting the engagement and reach, it's because the time that you posted is not the perfect timing. For example, what you can do is to test everything for yourself, for you to see which one is working or not, what time you should be posting, what time your target market is active, something like that. And what kind of posts do they like about? Do they like videos more? Do they like graphic posts? In that way, you need to like document everything and then compare it at the end of the day for you to see which one's working or not, and for you to see what type of content you should be creating more, and for you to improve your marketing strategies. So this one is a funny post, and I gained like 1,028 reach and 385 engagement. Not bad, which means that I need to create more funny posts. So basically, this is how you can see your audience. Most of my audience, it consists of women from Quezon City. And you have Inspiration Hub. You can basically use everything, every tool here to help you understand how you can use this professional dashboard to your advantage.